Hello friend, welcome to the Java puzzle. Today we are going to discuss about the 5 Java classes no one know about. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first class is DoubleSummary Statistics class. So let me create class. So generally in this class it is simply used to collect statistics as the name is saying, okay, and it collect the information such as the average, the maximum and the minimum that is stored in this class. So let's start with the example. It contains some methods like getAverage, which return the average of value recorded, except it record another value into the object. getCount, it return the count of the value in the object. getSum, return the sum of the value recorded. So let's start with the example. Class is comes under the java.util package, and here we have to use double summary statistic dot, there is a method accept. So you will see the accept method is record another value into summary information. There is another function is get average, get count, get max, get mean, get sum. So we will firstly use the accept. So inside the accept you can pass something like 10 dot accept, let's say 65. Add some values in this object using the accept method, then just want to print at average. When I will run this, so you will see the output 26.25. so we will receive the average of the value whatever we will store here. Same like if I want to print the sum, then I will use double statistic dot get sum. Same like if I want to print the max and mean, then mean. And if I will print, so you will see the sum, the max and the mean. So this is the double summary statistic class. The other class is StringTokenizer. So let me create a one class, work with the string firstly, okay, and it decompose a string into a token. A sentence such as welcome to Java Puzzle YouTube channel can be broken into the token welcome to Java Puzzle. These are the token, and this offer a quick alternative for separating word in a string, which is a very important part for the string manipulation. So let's see. Oh, we have a three constructor, so we will see one by one. So let me create, and this is what this class is also part of the java.util package. So string tokenizer, and here you will see there is a three constructor, one with a single, second one is a double parameter, and third one is a triple parameter. So if you will see in the first parameter, you will see the constructor string tokenizer for the specified string. The tokenizer use the default delimiter set, which is tab, new line and other things. The space character, the tab, the new line, delimiter character themselves will not be treated as a token. So firstly we will use this constructor, and so by default the delimiter would be the space. So how you will use this? So we will use has no token here, and inside it, as per the definition, if we have a token, then we can get the token by calling next token. String tokenizer dot next token. So you will see the output welcome to the Java puzzle. Okay, the spelling mistake, no issue with that, but you will see that by default it is using the space as a delimiter. Okay, great. So let's suppose we have a string with a comma. So what will be the output here? We are not going to split here, okay, because as per the definition of this, you will see that there is a new space, there is a space, there will be the tab, that will be the default delimiter for string tokenizer, okay. But if you have any other delimiter like comma, @ or any other delimiter, then you have to use the second constructor where you have to pass the delimiter here. So now let's create a token, right? Same like we have another constructor also with a 3 parameter. So if you will see, I'm showing you third parameter. So different is that there is a third parameter is a boolean, okay. So in the boolean, so if the return delims flag is true, then the delimiter character are also returned as token. Each delimiter is returned as a string of length 1 if the flag is false. The delimiter character are skipped and only serve as the separation between token. Okay, note that if delims is null, this constructor does not throw an exception. I will use false here as a parameter. See the output. So here you are saying like if the value of boolean is false, then token does not contain the delimiter. Output is something like this. Okay, if I make it true, then token contain the delimiter. We'll see comma is also part of our token. The class is the currency. So class currency. So in the currency demo class, as its name suggests, the currency class is used when working with the currency value. Okay, method in this class allow access and manipulation of currency related aspect, and this is also comes under the util package. So currency dot get instance. Okay, so here you will see there is a 3 method: get instance with a local, get instance with a currency code, and get available currencies. Let's suppose I'm using USD, and you will see the $sign here. If I will use JPY, so you will see the sign of yen. Same like if I want to print the name of the currency name, so Japanese yen, currency dot get currency code, and you will see the currency code is also there. Let's move in the another class is a time zone. Let me create a class time zone. So in the time zone class, it is also a part of the util package, and it is used to get the UTC time zone offset. Okay, and what is UTC offset? UTC offset is the amount of time a certain time zone is ahead of or behind the coordinated universal time. So it can also be used to acquire time zone IDs and figure out daylight time saving. So I find this class useful when designing time component for application or figuring out the location of user. That time it is more useful. So let's create how many available time zone we have. So let me create one array of the string, creating one array available time zones is equal to time zone dot get available IDs, and here just print out all available time zones, and I'm just printing out available time zone length. We can use the length. So we have a 628 time zone is available. Let me show you the get default, what will happen with the get default? Get default time zone, and if I will print dot get id, and you will see my current time zone, right? So if I will pass this id here at time zone, and here if I will use so this class is also come under the util package. And what is the difference between the Gregorian calendar and calendar class? So the major difference between them, like calendar class being an abstract class, cannot be instantiated. So an object of calendar class, if we want to create a calendar class, so we will use calendar dot get instance, right? So why this is? Because this is an abstract class. Calendar is an abstract class, but in the case of Gregorian calendar, we can create an object as we are creating a normal class object. So for creating the Gregorian, so we can create the object of this Gregorian calendar as we are creating the normal class. This is the one difference between the calendar class and Gregorian calendar class. So here you can see this one is initialized with the current date and time in a default local and time zone. Okay, if you will see, there is a more constructor, like there is a local, we can pass there, time zone, we can pass time zone with local, then year, month, day of month, then a lot of things are there, like we can pass the hour of day and minute and second also. So these are the constructor, and if we are not passing here any constructor, in that case it will initialize with the current date and time in a default local and default time zone. Okay, so let me create Gregorian calendar dot get time. You will receive both of the output is similar, right? Let's move to the because this is the default constructor. Okay, so it will take the current date and time with a local time zone, right? If let me show you some demonstration on year, month, day of month as a parameter. So for this year, month and day, right? So month is 2 and day is 4, right? So now we will receive the date time, whatever we will pass there. Same like if we want to get a calendar month, right? So for this calendar dot get, and in the get here we have to pass the int. What is the int? Here what we have to check, calendar dot month, right? So 2 is a month. Okay, same like if I will pass the year 2020, same like we can pass the day the 4, right? So in the Gregorian calendar, this is the alternative of the calendar class. Okay, and you can do lot of things here. Okay, you can get the minute, time, second, hour. Now you know that we have a 5 different classes in the util package which we don't know, and no one will tell you about this. So hope you like this video. If you think this video is helpful for you, please share with your friend, like, share and subscribe.